Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our next chapter, chapter 10 Keep the Surroundings Clean. As a responsible citizen, we should always keep our surroundings neat and clean. If we don't keep our surrounding area neat and clean, and if we throw wastage on anywhere, so it will be harmful for everyone. It will be harmful for animals, for human beings, and for nature also. So we should always try to keep our surrounding areas neat and clean. In this story also we see how a cow of a farmer got sick after eating garbage from the garbage dump. So let's see the story. Once upon a time there was a farmer named Nandu in Raipur village. He had a small farm and earned his living through the farm only. In his farm, he had various domestic animals like cows, hens, etc. He sold their milk for his livelihood. Nandu's favorite cow, Dolly, was purchased by his grandfather when he was a very small kid. Nandu always took best care of Dolly and gave her very good fodder. One day, Nandu had to go to a nearby city to get some domestic supplies. He instructed his wife Anita to look after Dolly and remaining cows. Anita did not like the animals. She preferred rather to do the domestic works than wasting her precious time in feeding animals. So she let the animals out of the shed to go and graze around. Dolly was extremely hungry. She grazed the grass in the nearby field for some time. Then she reached a nearby garbage dump. The garbage dump was filled with all kinds of waste. It had paper and vegetable peels and many other unnecessary waste materials. Flies were continuously flying on the open dump. Dolly was totally confused. She kept on nibbling at the huge garbage here and there and ultimately came back to her shed. The following day, Nandu returned. He was very curious to meet Dolly. When he reached the shed, he surprisingly saw Dolly lying down there. She was looking very sick. What would have happened to her? Nandu got worried. He observed her for some time. She began to sweat by evening and started making strange noises. It seemed she was in great pain. So Nandu rushed to the nearby village veterinary doctor and talked to him. The doctor examined Dolly and said, her food pipe is badly blocked. She is not able to even breathe as she has an infection. What did you give her to eat? Yesterday, she had been grazing the whole day in the nearby garbage dump, said Anita slowly. What? Why did you let her feed on the nearby garbage dump? Don't you even know how to look after the animals? How could you be so careless? Cried Nandu to Anita. Nandu, it's not totally her fault. It is actually our fault, said the seriously worried doctor. Mine? But how? I feed her daily with the best fodders. Nandu defended himself. And what do you do with the waste in your house? Asked the doctor. I throw waste outside my home or sometimes in the nearby garbage dump, answered Nandu, that is your main fault. Did you ever feel that your waste contains dangerous materials like polythene bags, etc.? Whenever you throw them in the open area, stray animals eat it and may get poisoned. This harmful substance can even choke the animals, as has happened with Dolly. Imagine if she would have swallowed a small piece of glass. It might have destroyed her organs, said the doctor. Have you noticed even once how many flies and germs breed in those dirty areas? Don't you observe that many people also fall sick in your village very often? These dirty germs spread the worst problematic disease. Oh my god, I never thought that. Doctor Sahib, now I understand my fault. The following day, Doctor and Nandu organized a meeting in their village. Doctor instructed everyone how to dispose the waste properly. He also told them the dangerous effects of throwing out waste in the open. All the villagers understood how dangerous it is for their animals and to them also. All of them collectively pledged to always keep their village clean and decided to set an example for their other villagers also to follow. So, moral is waste should be disposed of properly.